Penstemon digitalis Husker's Red, cracking shrub, hardy perennial, 9 out of 10. Bees love the flowers, 8 out of 10. Sun, maybe a bit of shade, 8 out of 10. A bit of deadheading to get those flowers coming again, 9 out of 10. Not many pests, 9 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 43 out of 50. Follow me on Plantalicious. Penstemon Wedding Day, a striking hardy perennial when fully grown, 10 out of 10. The bees and pollinators love the flowers on these bad boys, 10 out of 10. Does like a little bit of shade sometimes, 10 out of 10. Deadhead the flowers to encourage more growth though, 10 out of 10. Pretty resilient to most things, 10 out of 10. Dartana plant score for these, 50 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Penstemon Snowstorm, wonderful hardy perennial in the borders, 10 out of 10. The bees and pollinators love Penstemon, 10 out of 10. Bit of partial shade, 10 out of 10. Deadhead to encourage nice new flowers on these to keep it blooming for months, 10 out of 10. It's pretty hardy and resilient to most things, 10 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 50 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Here we have the Penstemon Garnet, hardy perennial shrub, 10 out of 10. Bees love the flowers on these, 10 out of 10. Likes a bit of sun though, still call that a 10 out of 10. Regularly pruned to keep those flowers coming, 10 out of 10. It's pretty resistant to most things, you know, 10 out of 10. Penstemons, only one score, 50 out of 50 with Dartana plants. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Penstemon Hule's Pink, great pink flowered hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Bees love the flowers on these when they grow, 10 out of 10. Does love the sun, 10 out of 10. Trim back to encourage more growth and more flowers during the season, 10 out of 10. It is pretty robust though, apart from that, 10 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 50 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Here we've got the lovely Penstemon Blackbird, hardy perennial, 10 out of 10 obviously. As far as the critters are concerned, the bees love the flowers on these. They do last a long time, so 10 out of 10. Location, likes a bit of sun, beautiful border plant, 10 out of 10. Don't have to do a huge amount to look after it. Maybe trim back some of the flowers to keep it new growth coming. 9 out of 10. Not many pests that cause these problems. 10 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 49 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. It's the lovely Penstemon. This one, sour grapes. Hardy perennials, we know, it's a 10 out of 10. Bees love the flowers on all of these, 10 out of 10. Light sun, maybe a bit of shade, 10 out of 10. Trim them back, keep the flowers going. Brilliant season for flowers and growth, 10 out of 10. It is a pretty robust monkey, 10 out of 10. Dartana plant score on this one, 50 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I am Plantalicious. The magnificent Penstemon King George, hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Bees love the flowers, 10 out of 10. Sun, bit of shade, 10 out of 10. Like all Penstemons, trim back the flowers, keep those going all through the season for months, 10 out of 10. It is robust, 10 out of 10. Dartana plant score, 50 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I am Plantalicious.